Hi guys, this is Karen from Karen's Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Okay, so today we're going to do vocabulary. We're going to use some nouns in the kitchen. And a noun is a person, place, or thing. All right, so things are nouns, and we're going to go over some things, which are nouns, in your kitchen today. Okay, class, so let's look at some items from your kitchen. The first one we have here is a paper towel holder. And the pronunciation is paper towel holder. Paper towel holder. Okay, and that's actually the silver thing right here. Okay, so this silver thing and the base. These are just paper towels. So paper towel holder. Okay, let's go over here. We have knife. Knife. Okay, knife for cutting your food, cutting meat. Now, when we do the pronunciation right here, you notice you do not pronounce the K. The K is silent, it is sleeping. So pronunciation, knife. Knife. This is spelling, this is pronunciation. The next one is spoon. Spoon. Okay, a spoon for your ice cream, for your soup, for your coffee. Okay, spelling and pronunciation. Spoon. Spoon. The next one is fork. When you eat your dinner, you use a fork. Okay? And basically the spelling and the pronunciation is the same. Fork, fork, fork. When you eat your dinner, you're going to eat your dinner on a plate. Plate. Okay? Spelling, plate, pronunciation, plate, plate. The next one, to make your toast in the morning, your bagels or your bread, is toaster. Toaster. This is the spelling, pronunciation, toaster. Toaster. Okay, toaster. Coffee maker. Okay, spelling, coffee maker, pronunciation, coffee maker. Coffee maker. Okay, so coffee maker. So when you wake up, you have a nice cup of coffee. Can opener. Can opener. For your soup, corn, vegetables, beans. Okay, spelling, can opener. Pronunciation, can opener. Opener. Can opener. Can opener. Teapot. Teapot. Spelling, teapot. Pronunciation, tea-pot. Teapot. If you like hot tea in the morning, you can use this for hot water and make tea. Okay, at the top we have stove. Spelling, stove. Pronunciation, stove. Stove. Okay, so this is your stove up here. Down at the bottom is oven. Oven. That's where you're going to put your turkey, your cookies, your bread. Pronunciation, oven. 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 So at the bottom, oven, top, stove. The very top is microwave oven. Microwave oven. So microwave oven. Microwave oven. Spelling here, pronunciation here. Microwave oven. Microwave oven. Over here, refrigerator. Refrigerator. Okay, spelling here, pronunciation here. Now sometimes people will say D, refrigerator or ter. Refrigerator. 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 This is where we put all our milk, eggs, butter. All right, have a great day, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the kitchen. Thank you.